Let's see how we can install MySQL in our system. You can use any browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser. And then just click on the search bar MySQL download. It will take you to the first link, original website of the MySQL. And then click on the download option and then scroll down and click on the MySQL community GPL download option. And after that, click on MySQL installer for Windows and then click on Windows x86 download option. No need to log in or sign up, just click on this link, just start my download, and then click on the open file option. Click on the yes option if it asks for permission, and then it will start installing. Click on the next option, click on the server option only, and click on the next option. Click on the execute option. It will start downloading the products related to the SQL server in your system and it won't take much time. Depending upon your PC processor or internet speed, but when we are downloading it, no, it doesn't matter related to the internet speed. After downloading it, it will again ask next button to install it. Click on the execute button. And then again click on next button to configure it, and then click on the configure type as development type. Click on the next option. We have to specify the password. Then click on make it simple. Here I'm using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Convenient for me to remember the password. And then click on the standard system accounts. Make it in the same way which is showing it here, and then click on the next option. It will start executing all the steps. Click on the execute. After that, click on finish. Click on the next option and then click on finish. It will install. You can click on the search option and then just type MySQL. It will open on your system. Just specify the password which you have specified at the time of installation and then press enter. It will open it. You can just type the first command just to see whether it is installed properly on your system or not. I think you have learned how we can install the MySQL in your system. Thank you. You can use the quit option also to close the SQL successfully. Thank you.